Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix Crunchyroll not loading. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my phone. So the first thing that you need to do guys is make sure that you close Crunchyroll, and then after you do that, go to your settings in your phone. And then once you're here in the settings, scroll down until you find applications. Once you find applications, go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on application, you're going to be right here. You're going to find a list that includes all of your installed applications in your phone. So what you need to do guys right now is search for Crunchyroll. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then you're going to be right here. In this place, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. So the first thing that you're going to find is notifications. You can allow it if you want. There's also permissions. You can grant Crunchyroll some permissions like the microphone or notifications. You can go to screen time. You can also search or change the language of the application. You can set it as default for opening supported links. And lastly, and the most important thing that you need to do, guys, is go to storage. So once you click on storage here in the bottom, you're going to find two options: clear data and also clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache. And then once you go back, your cache will be cleared. All you need to do, guys, right now is go back to Crunchyroll and try to launch it again, and then your problem will be fixed. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.